Mike Roland here with the Roland Team, Platinum Real Estate Professionals. And today we're going to discuss phase 2 of the 4-step home buying process. If you missed the other videos, go back, I'll be waiting for you. So let's discuss. So what's the second step? The second step is the fun part. That's the home search phase. What we'll want to do is set up a very customized search based off your wants and needs, your must-haves. And from there, we're going to put together a very, very specific search and send you properties you'd only be interested in. What I encourage you to stay away from is the third-party websites, the Realtor.coms, the Redfins. Unfortunately, those are great websites, but they're super outdated and they contain a lot of misinformation. I can't tell you how many clients I've had that'll call me, absolutely in love with the property. I pull it up and it's under contract already, or it's sold even years ago. It's very, very disappointing. So I do encourage you, you want to stay on our website. It's updated every 15 minutes, and you can actually do tour requests and mark a list of favorites. And your agent can see that as well. So we'll be on the same page and we'll go out and check those properties out at your convenience. A common misconception is from our website that you only see my listings, my team's listings, my brokerage listings. This is not true. You're going to see every single listing in all of Southern Nevada. So we got you covered on that. One amazing feature when working with the Roland Team is that we're a team. We work in pairs. You will have access to properties 7 days a week. There is nothing more frustrating, especially in this market we're in right now, when you're waiting around on your agent to go see a property. Some of these don't last days, if not hours. It's important and vital that you get into it as soon as possible, and we work in tandem here. So you'll have access to me, showing partners, team members. One of us will always be there and get you into that home as soon as possible. Another important thing is we will never try to sell you on a home. That is not our position. As your real estate agent, we are here to coach you, to guide you, to help negotiate you the best price and the best terms. But we will never force a property on you. We promise you that. There's nothing worse when you get a phone call a year after they've closed on their home and they say, "Hey Mike, I absolutely hate this home. I hate this neighborhood. Get me out of here." That's not an ideal situation. And what we prefer is in 3 to 5 years, that's usually the normal time where you want to turn around and sell, we have that conversation. That way you don't lose money on the sell, but we will never try to sell you on a home. That is completely up to you to decide. So that's it for phase 2, the home search phase. Stay tuned for the next video where we discuss the offering phase. Mike Roland with the Roland Team.